You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this rather complicated word? In British English, it's said as veterinarian. Veterinarian. Stress on the fourth ne syllable. Veterinarian. Now in American English, the second syllable is kind of really skipped. Veterinarian, and they're using this flat T that sounds like a D. Veterinarian in American English, or veterinarian in British English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.